Hello and welcome to our room at Hotel Indigo in Jacksonville, Florida. So far I am loving this hotel. It's very modern and sleek. When you walk in the room, you have this beautiful entrance area. Over here to the right is a full-length mirror with these little hooks to hang things, two on each side. You have your Keurig coffee maker, which is always a bonus. Ice bucket. Oh my gosh, we gotta get us some ice, Mom. There's the glasses. There's all your Keurig coffee, green tea, Lipton tea, and your coffee mugs. A really cool modern light right here. And then if you look at this, this is so cool. And then here is your mini fridge. Yeah, could be colder. So then to your right is this very modern bathroom. Your vanity. Hello. Here's all the towels and washcloths, hand towels, and hair dryer. Over here you have these amenities. Kleenex, a very cool modern light. Outlets here, light up mirror. Okay, there's no magnifying mirror. That's okay, I don't want to see my pores and wrinkles up close. But I did bring my own magnifying mirror, and I'm sure Mom brought hers too. And soap. Very nice. Here's your royal throne. And this room comes up with a stand-up shower. Okay, you have 3 hooks here. Just a really unique room. And look at this on the right. It's so cool. Comes with a mom. Hi, Mom. I don't know if your room comes with a mom, but mine did. And we have 2 double beds in this room. And over here is the closet. Just such a fun and unique room. Plenty of hangers. There's quite a few hangers. Luggage rack. Your iron and ironing board. See, it's 2 double beds. Here is the nightstand that both beds shared with storage and lights for each side of the bed. And yeah, here's your switch for the lights. I love these lights. On each side, yes, this one's a little crooked, but that's okay. Everything looks nice. Oh, Disney commercial! Yay! Disney is always around. Disney is always close by. Anyway, are you surprised I'm not at a Disney resort or a Universal resort? Leave in the comments if you're surprised, if you know me. I'm not in Orlando. So we're in Jacksonville for a dance competition. We just got back. We won't talk about
first day.
Well, really great first day. The kids did great, didn't they, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
We got special awards. Our solos did great. So this right here underneath the TV has 3 nice deep drawers. I don't think we'll be using them.
Everyday favorites.
And they have a space for your suitcases. We fit both of our suitcases up here. Plus there's a luggage rack in the closet. Flat screen TV. Here is your desk for doing very important, serious things. And over here is your USB ports and 2 outlets. 2 USB ports and 2 outlets. There's another outlet underneath the desk. You have this fancy little chair. You have this fun contemporary looking mirror. You have this old-fashioned thing, and that line, and you have this Light right here. Very nice desk. That's funny, the room's so modern, but you still have this kind of old-fashioned looking thing, but it's working good. And yeah, out there is where I park. We won't talk about how long it took me to find the place. So, me and Mom are in separate cars, and here I have the navigation. And then Mom calls me and says, I'm already here at Hotel Indigo, where are you? And I'm like...
Well, I lost her. I was following her, and then all of a sudden this big old conglomeration pulled in front of me, and I couldn't see where... I thought she was turning right, and I turned right, and I realized that was wrong. So I called her. I go, what's the name of the hotel? And then I put it in my navigation, and then I ended up finding it before her.
What? Yeah, Mom's sitting here in the lobby having a good old time, and I was driving around in this parking lot that was very close by of this nice, very nice, like residential condo area. It was very nice, but I knew it wasn't here. And it kept saying turn right, and then if I turned right, I was going to go into a garage. And I'm like, it took me a while to get out of there. But anyway, I'm glad that Mom's here safely, and now I'm finally here safely. So, yeah, sometimes, most of the time the GPS works, but sometimes it doesn't. This is my second time doing this video. The first time I did the whole tour, I thought I was recording and I was not recording. So this is the second time. But yeah, we'll tell you how comfortable these beds are tomorrow, and we will show you more around this very unique and beautiful resort. This hotel is a 5-minute drive from St. John's Town Center and a 6-minute drive from University of North Florida, which is where we had to go to on this trip, so it was very convenient. Now let's check out the inside. The restaurant is shared with a lobby. You can dine here or order room service during limited hours. They have a full-service bar. Cook-to-order breakfasts are served weekdays from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and on weekends 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. for a fee. And they also offer a few grab-and-go snacks and a variety of drinks. Now let's step outside and check out the pool area. I hope you enjoyed this hotel tour of Hotel Indigo in Jacksonville, Florida. The only thing I forgot to show you was the workout, the fitness center. Oops. But anyway, I am just having fun, and I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.